Mitch's World of Woods, brought to you by Surrey Timbers Limited, suppliers of local and exotic hardwoods. Hard maple, also known as rock and sugar maple. Hard maple is found in southeast Canada and eastern United States. Mature examples can reach a height of approximately 40 metres and a breast height diameter of approximately a metre. Usually straight grained, although often curly and wavy, has a fine even texture. Heartwood is creamy with a red-brown tinge. Bark is grey with long deep fissures, often scaly. Leaves have 3 to 5 deeply cut lobes, dark green above, pale silver green below, turning orange, red and crimson in autumn. Like other maples, it has inch-long winged seeds. It has high bending and crushing strength and impact resistance, medium stiffness. It's very good in steam bending, dries well but slowly. Its dimensional stability is reasonable. It's non-durable and has a specific gravity averaging 0.72. Hard maple is difficult to work with hand or machine tools. It has a moderate blunting effect. It's prone to tear out when planing, with all but the finest of shavings. It chops and bores okay. Nails and screws do require pre-boring. It glues and stains okay, and polishes to an excellent finish. It produces very hard-wearing flooring. It's also used for panelling, cabinets and furniture, butcher's blocks, ternary, veneers and musical instruments. Its sustainability is currently good. If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.